you're ready to move on to sheep. You finished everything away from sheep. Your dog knows their flanks, their walk-in, all those things, but without sheep. Now we're going to move to sheep. But in the meantime, I hope you've been working on probably the most difficult part of positive herding is getting your dog to engage with you around stock. The first thing you need to do is move as far away as necessary and get your dog to take treats and tug with you. So we'll see if he can take some treats. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we're going to see if he will tug with me. Not just tug and quit, but tug and engage till I ask him to disengage. He will tend to grab and tug and then kind of disengage and look at the sheep. And normally you're going to start this much farther away, but so you can see I'm going to do it much closer. Sir, get it. Oh yeah. Attaboy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mine. Good boy. I'm very happy with that. He didn't quit before I asked him. Now I'm going to get him closer to the sheep and ask him, can you take treats here? Sir, here. Can you take treats? Oh yeah. Treat. Oh yeah. He can't get any closer and he's still taking treats. Now I'll see if I can get him to tug with me. Sir, here, get this. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, mine. There. Sit. The next thing you want to work on is your obedience behaviors near stock. Just like there, I asked him to sit, he sat. Down. Super. Super dog, super dog. And you can use the treats or tug, whichever works best for your dog. And then get closer. Here. Yes. Down. Yes. Sir, sit. Thank you. Down. Good job. Good job. Here. Down. Good boy. And can your dog recall away from stock? Sir, here. Attaboy. Nice. Nice. Good job. Sit. There. You can also work on other things. Once you have your dog doing those sit down, stand, heel, you're good to go. And when they can do it real close to the stock. Next things you want are, of course, your herding behaviors, your walk in, your flanks, your stop. So we'll try walk in and recall. Recall is always important. So move back a little. I'm going to take this off because I'm not going to be using treats. I'm going to, at this point, I'm using the stock as his reinforcer. If I ask him to walk in and he does it correctly, he gets closer to the stock. Walk in. There. So he stopped, so I'll reinforce him by letting him walk in again. Walk in. There. Good boy. Super. Super dog, super dog, super dog. Sir, here. Attaboy. There. So now I'll try his flanks a little bit and see how that goes. Whoops. Come by. Out. There. Walk in. There. Wait a minute. Out. Aha, come here. So he didn't take us out. Sir, here. Out. Out. There. Come by. Out. Nice. There. Walk in. Super. Walk in. Good boy. There. Wait a minute. Out. Now, come here. Still not taking it. Come here. Sir, here. Way. Out. There we go. There. Now that you have your dog listening to you. You can use all your cues, walk in, stop, and flanks, of course. And those three are the main ones you want to work with because they are going to allow you to position your dog. An out is wonderful if you have a pushy dog that wants to be close. It's really helpful because it helps the dog learn where they should be relative to the stock. They always want to be too close and then it gets too tight and they're very aroused. Where if you can get them to move out a little bit, then they can relax and they can see, oh, I can manage the stock, I can control the stock from here. So we're going to stop there and let the sheep loose because once your dog can do this, let's try it. Come by, out, 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 there, walk in, wait a me, out, 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 there, back, back, attaboy, there. So once your dog can do these, they're ready to work on loose stock. Now we're pretty much where we left it, except there's no pen. The first thing I do once I leave sheep out, I usually work in a smaller area, but this will be fine. I want to start with small, short outruns, and often I do it against a fence, but it's just a flank around, usually a stop and a walk in. Depending if I want to stop him or not, we shall see. So I'm going to move the sheep. Hopefully he will stay where I've asked him to stay. Come on, girls. Okay. Sir, here. Attaboy. Back there. Wait a minute. Out. Out. There. So he didn't take his out. 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 Come on. Get out. Sir. Out. Sir. Out. Sir. Out. There. Okay. So now we'll send him the other way. Here. Come by. Out. There. Walk in. There. There. He didn't take a stop that time. Back. There. That's where I ask him to stop. Sir, here. Attaboy. Super. Super. Good job. Back. Thank you. Come here. He's a very pushy dog. He always wants to be probably too close. Come here. There. Come here. Sir. There. Try and set him out a little. There. Now I'm just going to shush him and hopefully he will go and bring them. Out. There. Till tight, I'd work on that, but we're going to take it for now. Sir, here. Super dog. And you'll notice how much wider he is on this come by side. That's how he's always been. There. Out. There. Sir, here. All right, come here. Out. Out. Easy. Walk. Attaboy. Wait a minute. There. Nice. Sir, here. So once we get some decent outruns going, I try to move away from the fence. Come here. There you go. Easy. Walk in. There. Nice. Okay. Thing I work on is driving. I will do some driving anytime I get the opportunity, but I usually start along a fence and I will walk with the dog. Here. Here. Sure. There. Walk. Get up. Easy. There. Way. Here. Way to me. There. The reason I'm driving that way is the pull is towards the gate. And if I put him over there, they're just going to run to the gate. So this time I would stand, well, over time I would move to the center more. And I would do less holding of the sheep away from the fence. I would ask him to flank toward me. Walk in. There. Way to me. In. Attaboy. 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 Way to me. In. Way to me. In. Attaboy. Way to me. There. Nice. Now we're just putting them back over here. Walk. That's nice. Super. There. So the last thing I would do is probably ask him to drive from my feet. Walk in. Attaboy. Way. There. Way. There. Basically, I'd end up doing more and more driving, longer distances, add to his outrun, and when I add to the outrun, I just have the sheep where they're going to end up, and I start close, and then I move myself and the dog away from the sheep. That wasn't perfect, but you aren't going to be perfect either, so don't get too worked up about it. The better you can be at holding criteria from the very beginning, the better off you're going to be, and that's what we struggle with, because as I was figuring this out, I didn't hold criteria like I should have. So I hope that helps. Basically, you start getting your dog engaged with you, obedience, behaviors away from and near stock, herding behaviors taught away from stock, brought to stock, let the stock out, and then work on your flanks, your walk-in, your stop, which turn into your outrun, lift, fetch, and eventually your drive.